Well, hello there. Hi, my babies. Thrill of the dinner tonight. Y'all doing okay? How you doing? So, tonight we're having spaghetti. Are y'all ready for some spaghetti and meatballs? And we have cinnamon rolls to go with that spaghetti and meatball. Yes. All right, well, let's get that spaghetti all ready. And we have some Kool-Aid too. Thriller baby. What's going on with you? Okay. All right, so let me get it together. Y'all look at that. Just look at that. Just look at that. Oh. My babies and they sibling. Look who at the door. Midnight over here closest to me. Go ahead, eat, Thriller. So sweet. They're so sweet and they're so innocent. Every time I open the door to feed them, if they are not already on the outside of that door, the minute I call these names, they come running. Oh my goodness. It's the sweetest things ever. Now I see we need another plate. We're gonna have to get a plate tomorrow. I had to order some cat food through DoorDash because we were out of food and I just didn't want to go anywhere today. And so, thank God for DoorDash. It creates jobs. And this is not a DoorDash sponsored video, but it creates jobs and it helps those that need the flexibility to be able to make their own hours. And it helps families like me that needed this cat food for today. So we thank y'all. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed night.